Now, I would use that on like foggy days or maybe some dusky rain or like that kind of weird transition area where you might want to get a little more visibility. That looks absolutely amazing, everybody. Highly recommend these things. Once again, it's all Bluetooth controlled. Yeah, this is an all-in-one kind of like turn signal. It's got left-right turn signal. It's got a hazard light and it's got a brake light. And you can see the different types of setup here. So what I've got the 4-pack here. Now, I think these come in a 2, 4, and 6-pack, but I decided to get the 4-pack. So what that means is I'm going to have 2 back here that's going to be a brake light, and it's going to be a turn signal on each side, and then maybe 2 in the front. So basically you take this thing, slide it down inside of there, take this bracket right here, and then the long screw goes right down in there like that. And then you're going to take the back plate of this, and then there's 2 screws right there, and that screws on like that, and you could see right here, that's the start of my left and right turn signal and my brake light. So let me go ahead, set the rest of it up, and we should be ready to mount it on the bike. And I'm going to mount it on the back of the seat right there above the battery. So let me go ahead and finish this out, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I'm with. Okay, everybody, I just got it all mounted together there. So you're going to take this little rubber piece, mount it on right there, and you can see this right here. It just says silicone band. Now I'm just going to go around my seat post. I have a thick seat post there. They have all kinds of adjustments on here, so I do like the fact that they give you many adjustments. And check this out. This is going to be awesome. Okay, I just installed them all. Let me kind of go over with what I did on the front. So I started to put them right down here, but this is so wide, my fork is so wide, I couldn't get them on there. I might tinker around and maybe use some zip ties or something to get those on there, because the rubber piece they sent with you is made for handlebars and seat posts like that. Now, what I had to do to get this to work properly is I took the scissors and I cut right down in there. I don't know if you can see it down in there. I just cut that. Now, I don't have anything. I'm using the magnets to hold these on here, because that's not going to be the location where I keep these. I am going to mount them right here. Let me show you what you're dealing with. So here's the controller. Hold down the controller. See the blue light, the green light just comes on. Check this out. Those magnets are actually pretty powerful. Hit the power button. As soon as you hit the power button, it turns red there. See how there's L and R? So this is the left side. We're going to put it on the left side. Let's put it on white light, that, or it can just be flashing, or it can be on red. So we're going to leave it on red right there. And then the same way on this side, turn it on. Now that's on the right, which is this side right there. Look how awesome that already looks. Same way with these. See, now these I put on the white light because they're facing forward like a headlight. Check that out. So this is the forward coming this way. Now they're not meant to be used as a headlight, by the way. Now I could turn them all on red, but you see what I'm going to do? I'm going to run these on red and those on white. Now watch this. So we've got hazard lights. Watch. And now this is all Bluetooth. Notice there's no wires. Hazard lights front, hazard lights in the back. Turn the hazard lights off. Now let's say I want to do a turn signal, left turn signal. Look at this. Left turn signal, looking from the back. Left turn signal, right turn signal. So even from a side angle, I can still see it. And these are waterproof, by the way. So you don't have to worry about if you get caught out in the rain or anything like that. Let's let it get a little darker out here, and let me come back when it's pitch black, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this. So just to know, these give you up to 11 hours of use when they're fully charged. They take around about maybe 2.5 hours to fully charge. And then what I did, I moved mine down here to the bottom, and all I did was run a zip tie through the back because it's so thick. Look how sturdy those things are mounted on there. And the magnets are so strong, you ain't got anything to worry about. And you can see I'm running white light in the front and then red light in the back. It gives you 290-degree kind of visibility around the bike. Let's just test one out. Let's hit the left turn signal. Check it out. Left turn signal, no problem. Oh, that's so cool. It's down on the actual fork. Left turn signal. Now let's go right turn signal. And look how it lights up the button so you know if you've got your turn signal on. Right. There's the back turn signal. And then if you want to hit the hazard lights, hit the hazard light. And you could see as soon as you hit the hazard light, the two little red button, the red button turns on right there, and I can adjust this different angles and move it around. This is something I recommend for anyone that's got any type of bike, whether it's an e-bike like I got here, or you just got a regular bicycle where you do a lot of night riding and you just want to get as much visibility as possible, because everybody, I've ridden out there at night and it gets kind of crazy. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 4-in-1 Bluetooth turn signal brake lights, headlights. See you on the next video.